Hey there, Earthlings! Jet lag, the arch nemesis of the modern traveller. As thrilling as globe-trotting can be, the persistent exhaustion and disorientation that accompany traversing time zones can dampen even the most exciting adventures. Fear not, intrepid explorers, for we bring you a comprehensive guide to conquer jet lag with our top 10 tips and tricks. Let's embark on a journey to reclaim your vitality and make the most of your travel escapades. Armed with these detailed strategies, you will be well equipped to combat jet lag and make the most of your travel adventures. The key is to listen to your body, be adaptable, and implement a combination of these tips that works best for you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Tip 1. Pre-flight preparation. Adjusting your sleep schedule days before your flight is crucial. Gradually shift your bedtime and wake-up time to match those of your destination. This gradual transition helps your body adapt to the upcoming time zone, minimizing the impact of jet lag upon arrival. In addition to adjusting your sleep, expose yourself to natural light during waking hours. Sunlight is a powerful regulator of the body's internal clock, signaling to your brain when it's time to be awake and when it's time to wind down. Tip 2. Hydration. Airplane cabins are notorious for low humidity, contributing to dehydration. Start hydrating well before your flight and continue drinking water during the journey. Limit your consumption of caffeine and alcohol, both of which can dehydrate you further and disrupt your sleep patterns. Combat the dry cabin air by using a good moisturizer. Apply it to your face and hands throughout the flight to keep your skin hydrated. Tip 3. Chase the sun upon arrival. Spend time outdoors engaging in activities. A brisk walk or some light exercise in the morning sunlight can help recalibrate your circadian rhythm, making it easier for your body to adjust to the local time. In the evening, limit exposure to screens emitting blue light, as this can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Tip 4. Mealtime mastery. Consider fasting for a few hours before your anticipated breakfast time at your destination. This can help reset your body's internal clock, aligning it with the local time zone. Opt for balanced, nutrient-rich meals that include a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid heavy, rich foods close to bedtime, as they may disrupt your sleep. Tip 5. The power of the power nap. Timing is crucial when it comes to napping. Keep naps short, 20-30 minutes, and schedule them strategically, preferably in the early afternoon. This can help combat the midday energy slump without affecting your nighttime sleep. Long naps, especially in the evening, can interfere with your ability to adjust to the local time zone. If you need to nap for longer periods, aim for the early afternoon to minimize disruptions. Tip 6. Sleep aids. Before using any sleep aids, consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and specific needs. Over-the-counter options or melatonin supplements can be beneficial for some, but not everyone. If you decide to use sleep aids, try them out before your journey to gauge their effects. This will help you understand how your body responds and whether there are any side effects that may impact your travel experience. Tip 7. Move your body. Physical activity is a natural energy booster. Engage in light exercise upon arrival to stimulate blood flow, increase alertness, and jumpstart your body's adjustment to the new time zone. Incorporate stretching or yoga into your routine. These activities can help alleviate stiffness and tension caused by long flights, promoting relaxation and better sleep quality. Tip 8. Invest in comfort. Create a comfortable space for rest during your flight. Pack a quality sleep mask, a supportive neck pillow, and noise-cancelling headphones to minimize disturbances. Comfortable clothing can also make a significant difference in your overall in-flight experience. Establish a pre-sleep routine on the plane, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. This might include activities like reading, listening to calming music, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Tip 9. Sync your watch. Setting your watch to the destination time helps you mentally prepare for the new time zone. It aids in adjusting your mindset and planning your activities according to the local schedule, making the transition smoother. If you rely on digital devices for timekeeping, adjust the settings to display the time of your destination. This reinforces the mental shift and helps you stay aligned with the local time zone. Tip 10. Patience is a virtue. Be realistic about the time it takes for your body to fully adjust to the new time zone. Avoid scheduling intense activities or important meetings immediately upon arrival. Give yourself a day or two to acclimate and be patient as your body transitions. In the first few days, allow yourself slow mornings. Take the time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast, soak in the surroundings, and gradually ease into the rhythm of the local culture. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.